Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful laser cut wall clock from my store. It's actually quite easy to make, just follow my instruction template that comes with a file and a little bit of patience. This could be a great gift to someone, or you can sell it if you like. So let's jump to the cutting file. So what you see here is I kind of group all the pieces into a different group that will be cut on certain type of wood. This makes the process become much easier. So I'm going to use some walnut board for this project. What you see here is I'm applying some masking tape over it, so I don't have to spend more time clean up the burn mark afterward. I ran out of the big one, so I'm just gonna use the small roller this time. My laser bed is 300 by 500, so it's just enough for this project. It would take about an hour and a half to cut everything. After cutting, we remove the tape. It will take a bit of time to do this, but it's worth it. And here is all the pieces. So before we jump into assembly, let's jump into the manual that comes with the downloads. So it has several pages that show you how to put all the pieces together. It's quite clear and straightforward. The clock movement details are in the manual as well. Here I'm using normal wood glue to glue all the layers together. You can use some super glue in combination with wood glue as well to make the layers stick well together. So this step took me about 3 hours. I really enjoy this step. Just amazing seeing the clock taking shape and forming, and just wonderful to watch. Hey guys, this is my favorite step. The last two rings that will transform the entire look of the whole clock. Here I'm just using some cotton swab to clean up all the glue that oozes out from the layers. here, the last piece, guys. We nearly finished. Last step is to install the clock mechanism. For this clock I use 3mm plywood, so I got a 28mm long sharp clock mechanism for this clock. Depend on the material thickness that you use for your clock, it will determine the shaft length for your clock mechanism. You can find more detail in the assembly manual, and there's a link to order as well. Here we have it. It's beautiful, is it? Although, thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any question, feel free to reach out. I will try to respond as soon as I can. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.